All right, guys, Nick here again with BoarMasters. So once we spray and do all the burns and get all the attractants out there, we'll usually we'll fill the barrel with our buckets of bait, and this can be whatever you can round up, whether it be breads or cakes or donuts or meats, sweet feeds, whatever you're adding. We've got another product. It's called our Barely Legal line, and this is our feed additive. This is the product here that actually built the company. This was our first product. It's over 100 times sweeter than sugar. This little bag right here will flavor 800 pounds plus of bait. So it's a true feed additive. Now, there's a lot of other products on the market that are a sweetener. This really isn't a sweetener. I mean, it is super sweet, but it's a true feed additive that triggers a feeding frenzy. So, anyways, we offer this in several flavors. And the bears, this is the product that you really want the bears to eat. So you want to mix this with anything you can muster up for bait. So whether you're going to your stores and you're collecting bait, you're digging garbage cans, whatever you're doing, you can mix this product with anything. Anything you want to supercharge with just an extreme, powerful, addictive flavor. So we offer this product in a triple threat, which is a kind of a Skittles mix. And then we've got a Rebel Raspberry, we've got a melon, we've got apple, and we've got an anise, which is a black licorice smell. And as you know, sometimes you'll have certain bears that'll crave certain flavors, and so we try to figure out what flavors those bears are craving. You might have one bear that'll eat Fruit Loops or raspberry donuts, and you'll have another bear that'll pick past them. So what you want to do is really try to dial in what your bears are really hitting on, and then just hammer them with it. So we offer this also in a 3-pack special, and that gives you the opportunity to try some different flavors and see what your bears are really hammering on. It could be a lot like deer with mineral. Sometimes certain areas of the country, deer will hammer harder with mineral than other areas. And it's the same with bears. There's certain areas of the country that I sell more of the triple threat than I do to other states. And so once I kind of dump the bait in the barrel, I just add it at that time. I just sprinkle in a little bit. 1 to 2 ounces per 50 pounds is really all you need. I got guys that'll mix this in a 5-gallon bucket before they head to the bait site. And you can pre-mix, or you can just fill your barrel, and then you can sprinkle this stuff on top. If you're putting in a lot of bait, I'd sprinkle it and layer it. Sprinkle, pour a bucket, sprinkle, pour a bucket, and it'll mix through there, and the bears will dig for it and get it all mixed around. I've even got a lot of outfitters that'll take this product, and when the wind's blowing, they'll shake it. They'll put it in big ketchup bottles, and they'll shake it, and they'll let it kind of smoke through the air when they got a bad wind, and they swear by that. It says every time they do that, a bear comes in. So you can also mix this in fryer oil. If you got fryer oil and you want to turn it into an actual flavor additive, you can mix it with molasses. You can mix it with water. The problem with water is it evaporates so quickly. Same with our Conviction series, which I'll talk about later, but this is anything you want the bears to consume, and you want to put this on anything they consume, I guess. So that's our Barely Legal line of our feed additives. I usually just go along and spray a lot of the trees, especially your bigger trees. We'll just smear that on this tree. We'll just do 2 squirts. Just sprinkle in a little bit.